Last class we are discussed about integration, use of integration and formulas. Today class we are going to discuss about now the geometrical interpretation of indefinite integral. Use the properties of indefinite integral simple problems. Find the integrals of simple functions. What about geometrical interpretation? Geometrical interpretation of indefinite integral. An indefinite integral is a collection of family of curves, each of which is obtained by translating one of the curves parallel to itself upwards or downwards along the y-axis. In the earlier class, we have seen the following properties of indefinite integrals. That is, first one, d by dx of integration f of x dx equal to f of x plus c. Integration f dash of x dx equal to f of x plus c. Integration f of x dx plus or minus g of x dx equal to integration f of x dx f of x dx plus or minus integration g of x dx. And fourth one, integration k into f of x dx equal to k into integration f of x dx. And fifth one, integration k1 f of x plus or minus k2 g of x dx equal to k1 into integration f of x dx plus or minus k2 into integration g of x dx. Last sixth one is integration k1 f of x plus or minus k2 g of x is equal to k1 f of x plus k2 g of x of dx. Simple examples. So example 1, evaluate integration 3x square plus 4x cube dx. Solution. Integration 3x square plus 4x cube dx is equal to integration split into two parts, that is integration 3x square dx plus integration 4x cube dx. Take out the common constants are common. So 3 into integration x square dx plus 4 into integration x cube dx. 3 into x square integration is, that is x power n integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here x square integration is x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to x cube by 3 plus 4 into x power 3 integration x power 4 by 4 plus c. Here denominator 4 numerator 4 cancel, and numerator 3 and denominator 3 also cancel, that equal to x cube plus x power 4 plus constant term c. Next example, evaluate integration x cube minus 1 by x square dx. Solution. Integration x cube minus 1 by x square dx. So divide the numerator 2 part by x square. So integration x cube by x square minus 1 by x square dx. X cube by x square means x square cancel, remaining is only x. That is integration x dx minus 1 by x square is, take out the denominator x square into numerator, that is x power minus 2 dx. X integration is x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is x square by 2. Minus x power minus 2 integration is x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. That is x square by 2 minus is already minus x power minus 1 by minus 1. That is x square by 2 plus minus cancel, that is plus x power minus 1 is 1 by x plus c. Sorry, system is problem. Next, example 3, evaluate integration cosec x into cosec x plus cot x dx. Solution. Integration cosec x into cosec x plus cot x dx equal to cosec x into cosec x is cosecant square x dx plus cosec x into cot x dx. Integration cosec x into cot x dx. Integration cosec square x dx is cosec square x, answer is minus cot x, and cosec x into cot x is minus cosec x plus c. So overall minus is comma minus cosec x plus cot x plus c. Example 4. Evaluate integration 1 minus sin x by cos square x dx. Solution integration 1 minus sin x by cos square x dx equal to 1 by cos square x dx minus integration sin x by cos square x dx. 1 by cos square. 1 by cos is sec theta. 1 by cos square is secant square x dx minus sin by cos. So denominator cos split in this sin by cos square x is write it like sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x because denominator is cos square. Split cos square x can be written as cos x into cos x, that is sin by cos x into 1 by cos x. Sin by cos is tan x, 1 by cos x is sec x. So therefore, integration secant square x dx minus secant x into tan x dx. Secant square x answer is tan x minus sec x tan x answer is sec x plus c. Quiz. Integration sin square theta plus cos square theta dt is equal to, in 10th standard in trigonometry, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So is okay. But 1 dt here, not a 1 is not an answer. So here integration 1 dt. 1 dt is dx integration is x plus c. So dt integration is theta plus c. So B is the correct answer, not a 1. Next. Integration sin hx dx. In hyperbolic functions, integration of sin hx is cos hx, integration of cos hx equal to sin hx plus c only. There is no minus exist. That is, therefore, integration of sin hx dx equal to just cos hx plus, there is no c, cos hx, not a minus cos hx, only cos hx, or cos hx plus c we need, but here B answer is just cos hx, not a correct answer. A answer is minus cos hx plus c, this is not a correct answer. C sin hx plus not a correct answer. E power x plus e power minus x, e power minus x by 2 is hyperbolic function cos hx. D is the formula of cos hx is e power x plus e power minus x by 2 plus c. So D is the correct answer. um, Examiner confusing to me. Assignment. Find the assignment. Do this assignment in home. Find the integral of the following. I will tell you easily. X plus 1 by x is a plus b whole square formula. Integration is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. So if you cancel x square 1 by x square, sorry, x cube by 3 minus 1 by x plus 2x plus the answer. Uh, e power x, a power x, 3 power x. Integration e power x is e power x, a power x is a power x by log with a. 3 power x is same as like a power x, 3 power x by log 3 answer. Next, third answer, sin hx plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x is integration of sin hx is just cos hx. 1 by x cube means take out x cube to numerator term x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 x power minus 2 by minus 2, that is minus 1 by 2 x square. This is minus 1 x power minus 1. before to minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 x power 1. 1 by x is simply log x. Okay, no, don't take out numerator. If we take numerator term, it will give indefinite, infinity value. So that is not correct. 1 by x integration is just log x plus c. So overall answer sin hx cos hx minus 1 by 2x cube plus log x plus c. Solved example. Example, find 1 by sin square x into cos square x dx. Solution is 1 by sin square x is some complicated problem. So small, simple, complicated, not a high complication. So integration 1 by sin square x cos square x dx is equal to actually 1 by sin square x. We don't have any formula, but 1 equal to, according to 10th class, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That means 1 equals sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square. Divide the sin square x by sin square x cos x plus cos square x by sin square x cos x is equal to integration 1 by sin square x by sin square x cancel 1 by cos square x plus cos square x by cos square x cancel 1 by sin square x plus c. 1 by cos theta is secant theta, 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. So 1 by cos square x equal to secant square x dx plus 1 by sin square cosecant square x dx. Secant square x, we don't have a secant square x. Secant square x formula we have. What is the use of secant square? Secant square x, we have formula. Secant square x equal to tan x and cosecant square equal to minus cot x plus a simply. Uh, Find integration. Next problem. Find integration 1 by 1 minus. This is some difficulty. So apply uh, trigonometric formulas. Integration 1 by 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x dx is equal to integration. So 1 by 1 is sin square is cos, not uses. So simply rationalize it. So integration, rationalize it means multiply and divide with 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x. That is multiplying 1 plus cos x by dividing 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x is a plus b minus formula a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus cos square x. So numerator is 1 plus cos x by denominator 1 square cos square x, that is equal to 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta sin square x dx. So divide 1 by sin square x plus cos x by sin square x dx. 1 by sin square is cosecant square x. Uh, Denominator sin square can be written as sin x into sin x, that is cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x. Cos x by sin x is cot x, 1 by sin x is cosec x into cot x dx. Here integration cosec square x dx integration cos x in cosec x into cot x dx. Cosec square x equal to minus cot x. Cosec x into cot x is minus cosec x plus c. Example 3. Find 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Solution 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Option is there. Rationalize 1 plus sin x. Rationalize 1 minus sin x. That is 1 minus multiply and divide with 1 minus sin x. So that is rationalization, 1 plus sin x rationalization, that is equal to integration 1 minus sin x into 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. Numerator term 1 minus sin x into 1 minus sin x, that is 1 minus sin x whole square. Denominator a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x is 1 square minus sin square x is equal to 1 minus a minus b whole square formula a square minus 2ab plus b square 1 minus 2 sin x plus sin square x by cos square x dx is equal to 1 by cos square x minus 2 sin x by cos x plus sin square x, uh, 2 sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x sin square x by cos square x dx. Dividing every term with cos square x, that is 1 by cos square x minus 2 sin x by A cos square it can be written as cos x into cos x, that is 2x plus 2 sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x, sin square x by cos square x dx. So here 1 by cos square x equal to secant square x. Secant square x minus 2 into sin x by cos x is tan x, 1 by cos x is secant x. 2 sec x into tan x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x equal to tan square x plus c. So secant square x divide the three parts. Integration secant square x dx minus 2 into integration secant x into tan x plus c tan x dx plus integration secant tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1 dx because there is no tan square formula. We don't have any tan square formula. We have only secant square and cosecant square formulas. So here tan square formula is secant square x minus 1. So we substitute in place. So secant square x formula tan x. 2 into sec x tan x formula is sec x. And secant square x formula is tan x and 1 dx is x plus c. So therefore tan x plus tan x 2 tan x minus 2 sec x minus x plus c is our answer. Next example 4. Evaluate integration under root of 1 plus cos 2x. Is under root. We don't have any under root formulas. Uh, so this is in trigonometric formation. Use other different formulas. Oh, 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. There is a formula in trigonometry. So suppose cos 2x formula apply. Cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So 2 cos square x minus 1. Here plus 1 is there. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. That equal integration under root of 2 cos square x dx. Take out root 2 as common. Under root of cos square x is root 2 square cancel. Here integration cos x dx. Root 2 into cos x answer is integration of cos x is sin x plus a, not minus cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. So don't confuse. Remember integration of cos x dx is just sin x plus c. That is answer is root sin x plus c. Example 5. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0, comma 2 and having slope x plus e power x minus sin hx at any point x comma y. So once again, find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0, comma 2 and having slope x plus e power x minus sin hx at any point. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point. We have equation of the curve given dy by dx equal to x plus e power x minus sin hx. Find y. That is, find the equation of the curve y equal to ax square plus bx plus c is the formation of the one of the curve. Our equation. So given dy by dx equal to x plus e power x minus n, we have to find out y. Take out dx as right side. That equal to apply and integration. Apply integration. So integration dy equal to integration x plus e power x minus sin hx into dx. So integration dy equal to y. Y. Right side x integration x square by 2 e power x integration e power x sin hx minus sin minus into sin hx integration cos hx plus c. So answer. The point 0 comma 2 lies on the curve. So that is to y equal to 2, use 0 comma 2 values for constant c. So y here y equal to apply 0 comma 2 and equation. Here y equal to 2 x equal to 0. That equal to 2 equal to 0 plus e power 0 is 1 cos hx is cos hx formula e power x plus e power minus x by 2. That is also minus 1 plus 2 e power x plus e power minus x by 2. that equal to e power x. E power 0 is 1 plus e power minus 0 is also 1. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 is 1. That is cos hx, apply human value in x place. Cos hx is also 1. So y equal to 0 by 2 plus e power 0 is 1 minus e power 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 0. So therefore c equal to directly to apply c value. Equation of the required curve is y equal to x square by 2 plus e power x minus cos hx plus 2. Don't confuse and don't fear this type of problems. So the given is dy by dx. So using dy by dx, we get the answer with constant term. Use 0, comma 2 values for find out the constant values. So this is easy problem. Don't confuse. Always theory problems are easy. Use just techniques. Next example 6. Evaluate integration sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin cube x into cos cube x dx. Divide above problem with. So I hope this has a print mistake. Sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x. So integration sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x, that equal to sin cube x by sin square x cos square x plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x. So dividing two parts. So in numerator sin cube, denominator sin square cancel. That is sin x by cos square x dx. Integration sin x by cos square x dx plus integration here cos cube denominator is cos square. So cancel it. Integration cos x by sin square x dx. Sin x by cos square x, cos square x is here cos x into cos x. Denominator cos square x is cos x into cos x. That is sin x by cos x is tan x. 1 by cos x is sec x plus c. So it's clear. Next integration cos x by sin square x. Sin square x is here sin x into sin x. So sin cos by sin is cot 2. 1 by sin is cosec x dx. That is sec x into tan x dx is just integration of tan x into sec x is sec x. Integration of cosec x into cos x is cosec x plus c. So this is also easy problem. Example 7. Find integration 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Apply cos 2 theta formulas. Solution integration 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx is equal to integration. Apply 1 minus cos 2x formula as numerator. Here need minus 1. Okay, minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x formula, take 1 minus 2 sin square x and denominator 1 plus cos, we need minus 1 in denominator as 2 cos square x minus 1 dx. So minus 1. Numerator minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus it minus 1 1 cancel minus minus plus 2 sin square x by denominator plus 1 minus 1 cancel 2 cos square x by 2 cos. The numerator denominator cancel. So sin square x by cos square x is tan square x dx. So there is no formula for tan square in integration. You want the integration tan square formula. So tan square can be written as secant square x minus 1, that equal integration secant square x is tan x, 1 is x plus c. Next example 8. Find integration of 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. Solution. So 1 by 1 plus sin x, rationalize it. We don't have another route just to rationalize it. So that is integration 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x dx. So numerator 1 minus sin x as it is. Denominator 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x is a plus b minus b, that is 1 a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus sin square x. So integration 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin square theta is s cos square x theta, that is 1 minus sin square x is cos square x dx. Integration, so divide the two part, that is 1 by integration 1 by cos square x dx minus integration sin x by cos square x dx. So integration 1 by cos square is secant square x minus integration 1 by sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x, because cos square is cos x into cos x. 1 by sin x by cos x is tan x into 1 by cos x is sec x. Sec x into tan x dx. Secant square x answer is tan x. Sec x tan x answer is sec x plus a. Summary. In this period, you have learned properties of indefinite integrals, evaluation of simple integrals. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. In the differential calculus, we are given a function and we have to find the derivative. But in the integral calculus, we are to find function whose derivative is given. Let d by dx of f of x plus c equal to f of x. Then we write integration f of x dx equal to f of x plus c. These integrals are called indefinite integrals. Yes. Integration e power minus log cosec x dx minus log cosec x dx. Here e power and log are opposite versions. So that is integration, this is cosec inverse x. 1 by cosec is 1 by cosec is sin x. Sin x integration is integration sin x minus cos x plus c. That is, D is the correct answer. Take out 2 integration e power 2 log cot x dx. Take out 2 and in log base goes to power of cot x. There is 2 log cot x is log cot x square cot square x. Here log e cancel, cot square x integration of cot square x is integration of cot square x. Integration cot square x is cosecant square x minus 1, that is cosecant square x answer is minus cot x minus cot x minus x, that is d is minus cot x minus of cot x plus c. The integration under root of 1 minus sine 2 theta d theta. Integration 1 minus sine 2 theta. 1 minus 1 answer is 1 is this if cos 2 theta is answer is 1 minus 2 cos square sine square, but sine 2 theta answer is to sine 2 theta formula 2 sine theta cos theta. Here 2 sine theta cos theta, but one answer is one formula is sine square theta plus cos square theta. Totally integration under root of sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta. That is a minus the whole square formula. A minus the sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Square root cancel sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta integration is minus cos theta minus cos theta integration is sin theta. Overall minus is common. So minus of sin theta plus cos theta plus CP is the correct answer. Next fourth one. 4 into integration cos square x by 1 minus sin x dx is equal to cos square x by 1 minus sin square x. Cos square x is by 1 minus sin square x. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x by 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin square x can be written as 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. Numerator 1 minus x, denominator 1 minus x cancel. Remaining is 1 plus sin x. Integration 1 plus sin x, 1 integration is x. Sin x integration is minus cos x plus c. So A is the correct answer. So fifth one is integration 1 by 1 minus cos x dx. 1 by 1 minus cos x. What is the root of this 1 by 1 minus cos x? So sin square theta plus sin square theta. Just rationalize it. That is 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x. In denominator, numerator is 1 plus cos x. Denominator is 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x denominator is sin square x. That is integration 1 by sin square x plus integration cos x by sin square x. 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x and cos x by sin x is cot x and cot x into cosec x. Cot x into cosec x, cosec x. Cosec x is minus cot x and cosec x into cot x is minus cosec x. Minus cosec x minus cot x plus c. C is the correct answer. So the two answers have minus as common. Done. Previous asked questions in a previous examination. Previous examination questions. First one, evaluate integration sec x by sec x plus tan x dx. So the answer is just rationalizing the denominator to give near answer. But I will tell you if we take rationalization, okay. Oh, this is also I explained the example 1 plus sine 2 theta. Here I explained 1 minus sine 2 theta, but the question is 1 plus sine 2 theta. That is a plus b whole square formula. Evaluate integration 1 minus sine 2 theta. This is also same rule. I explained explained the example. Assignment. Evaluate integration ax square plus bx plus c by x cube into dx. Divide the every term with x cube. So evaluate integration x square plus 1 by x square into dx. Evaluate integration x minus 1 by x whole cube dx. Evaluate integration tan x plus cot x whole square dx. So evaluate integration cosec x by cosec x plus cot x dx. These are so simple answer x square plus 1 by x square is simple way. X minus 1 by x whole cube formula, that is a minus b whole cube formula, apply a minus b whole cube formula. So fourth one is a plus b whole square formula. It will give tan square cot square x, but convert tan square is secant square x minus 1 cot x cosecant square x minus 1. It will give easy answer. Evaluate cosec x by cosec x plus cot x. It is just fifth one is rationalize the cosec rationally. So multiply and divide with cosec x minus cot x by cotec x minus cot. So next small topic, integration by substitution of the theorem. Substitution theorem. So always integration is not in the simple formation. It is just application. So just this is the just different. Yeah, just higher way. In this, on completion of this period, we would able to do solve the problem in integration form. Integration f of ax plus b into dx. So ax plus b into dx. Now this is not a direct formula. This is just applicable formula. Extra b is there in that equation. A and b are constant exist. What is the integral of x square plus 1 by x plus cos x into e power x? This x square into x square by 2, 1 by x is log x, cos x is sin x, e power x plus c. When we do use substitution method in on integration, if a function cannot be integrated directly by applying standard integral. What is the use of this integral? If a function cannot be integrated directly by applying standard integrals. How to do How do you integrate using substitution method or change of variables? By a suitable substitution, the variable of integrand is changed to another variable. By suitable substitution, the variable of integration is changed to another variable. Then integrand is changed into standard form. The function is now integrated easily and directly by applying standard integrals. Type 1 integrand of the form integration f of ax plus b dx to integrate f of ax plus b. Put ax plus b equal to t. So a into apply derivative on both sides. A into dx equal a into dx plus b derivative by b is a into dx equal to dt. Dx equal to 1 by a dt. So integration f of ax plus b dx equal to 1 by a f of t dt, which is the standard form, can be integrated easily. So our question ax plus b is converted as s to t. Next ax plus b whole power n dx. So let ax plus b equal to t. So derivative of ax equal to a into dx. Derivative of b is 0. So and derivative of t is dt. A into dx equal to dt. Here dx equal to 1 by a dt. So ax plus b whole power n dx equal to 1 by a whole integration t power n d. T power n answer is t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So integration ax plus b whole power n dx equal to 1 by a. He apply t value a 1 by a into t power n means ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So 1 by ax plus b dx. Put ax plus b equal to t, a into dx equal to dt, and derivative of x equal to a into dx equal to derivative of t, dx equal to 1 by a dt. Integration 1 by x plus b dx equal to, so here ax plus b is 1 by t into 1 by a dt, that equal to 1 by a into 1 by t dt is equal to 1 by a into log t plus integration of 1 by t is log t plus c, that is therefore 1 by equal to log, here t value is ax plus b log ax plus b plus c. Third question. Sin integrate integration sin ax plus b. Put ax plus b equal to t. Apply derivative on both sides. A into dx equal to derivative of t is equal to x equal to 1 by a dt. Integration sin ax plus b into dx equal to sin t into dx equal to 1 by a dt. That equal to 1 by a into integration sin t dt. Sin x integration minus cos x, as it is minus 1 by a into cos t plus c minus 1 by a into cos t value is ax plus b minus 1 by into cos ax plus b plus c. Similarly, integration cos ax plus b dx equal to 1 by a into sin ax plus b secant square x into ax plus b equal to 1 by a tan x plus b cosecant square ax plus b into dx equal to minus 1 by a cot ax plus b. Just take 1 by a common in ax plus b. Variable of x common standard integral. This is also same formula standard integral. Just to take out coefficient of x as denominator. Just take out uh, coefficient of x as denominator. Take out coefficient of x is denominator. Here coefficient of x is a. Take out the a as denominator. That is the simple answer. So seventh formula sec x plus b into tan x plus b dx. Sec x into tan x is sec x a. So here in place of x we put ax plus b. But here x quotient is divided x quotient a, that is 1 by a sec ax plus b plus c. Eighth one cosec x plus b into cot x plus b dx equal to, so cosec x into cot x formula cosec x, here x quotient is here, divide with a minus cosec x plus b by a. So ninth formula e power x plus b, here e power x formula e power x, so in place of x as ax plus b, here x quotient is here, that is divided by a, so e power x plus b by a plus c. So integration a power bx plus c dx, a power x formula, a power x by log a. So here in place of x as bx plus c, but x quotient is here b divided with whole function b 1 by into e power bx plus c by log a plus c. This formula completed. Integral of hyperbolic function. Integration sin h of ax plus b dx equal to cos h ax plus b by a. Integration cos h of ax plus b dx equal to sin ax plus b divided by a plus c because x quotient is a. So integration sec h square x plus b dx equal to tan h of x plus b by a plus a. Cosecant h square cosec h square x plus b dx equal to cot h of x plus b by a plus a minus. I will increase this 15 the formula. Oh, wait, it will increase. This is another format. Sorry. Integration sec h of ax plus b tan h ax plus b dx equal sec x into tan x equal to sec x. Just sec x here minus sec h ax plus b by a. Then cosec ax plus b into cosec h of ax plus b and cot h of ax plus b equal to cosec a minus cosec h of ax plus b by a. Find integration 3x plus 5 whole power 5 dx. Put 3x plus 5 equal to 3. Derivative on both sides. 3 into dx equal to dt. Dx equal to 1 by 3 dt. 3x plus 5 whole power 5 dx equal to 2. Dx plus 5 is here t power 5 into 1 by 3. That equal 1 by 3 into integration t power 5 dt. So 1 by 3 t power 5 integration t power 6 by 6 plus c. That equal to 1 by 3 into 6 is 1 by 18. Here t equal to 3x plus 5, put in place of t as 3x plus 5, 1 by 18 3x plus 5 whole power 6 plus c. So example 2, find 1 by under root of 5 minus 7x dx. Put 5 minus 7x equal to t. Apply derivative on both sides. 5 derivative is 0. Minus 7 into derivative of x is dx. Minus 7 dx equal to right side derivative of t equal to dt. Dx equal to minus 1 by 7 into dt. Integration 1 by under root of 5 minus 7x dx equal to integration 1 by under root of 5 minus 7x is t. Under root of 1 by root into minus 1 by 7 dx. Minus 1 by 7 dx. Here dx minus 1 by 7 into dt, that is printing mistake, minus 1 by 7 into dt, minus 1 by 7 into integration 1 by root t dt. So 1 minus 1 by 7 into 2 into 1 by 1 by root x. 1 by root x is 2 root x. Simple formula. 1 by root x is 2 root x. That is 1 by root is 2 root t plus c. 2 into minus 1 by 7 is minus 2 by 7 into actually root t is 5 minus root 5 minus 7x plus c. Example 3, find under root of cosec square 4x minus cosec square 4x minus 7 dx. Put 4x minus 7 equal to t, then 4 into dx, apply derivative 4 into x equal to dt. Dx equal 1 by 4 into dt. Dx equal 1 by 4 into dt. Cosecant square of 4x minus 7. 4x minus 7 into dx equal to cosecant here 4x minus 7 is t. Cosecant square t into dx equal 1 by 4 dt. That equal 1 by 4 of cosecant square t dt. So 1 by 4 cosecant square is answer is cosecant square answer is minus cot x plus c minus 1 by 4 into cot t plus c. minus 1 by 4 here t equal to 4x minus 7 minus 1 by 4 into cos 4x minus 7 plus c. And for example, find integration of sin 7x into cos 2x dx. Direct formula, we don't have a direct formula. Uh, uh, 2 sin a cos b formula. 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b multiply and divide with 2. So 1 by 2 into integration 2 sin a cos b. Sin a cos b when it will come sin a plus b into sin a minus sin a minus b formula is 2 sin a cos b. So 1 by 2 sin a plus b. So sin 7x plus 2x is sin 9x plus sin 7x minus 2x is sin 5x plus 6. So 1 by 2 of though sin 9x integration is minus cos 9x by 9 plus sin 5x integration is minus cos 5x by 5. That is 1 by 2 minus take out minus of common minus 1 by 2 into cos 9x by 9 plus cos 5x by 5 plus c. Example 5. Find integration e power 3 minus 5x dx. Put 3 minus 5x equal to d. Then derivative on both sides. Derivative of 3 is 0. Derivative of minus 5x dx. 5 into dx equal to d. This is primitive mistake. 5 into minus 5 into dx equal to d. Dx equal to minus 1 by 5 into dt. Integration e power 3 minus integration e power 3 minus 5x dx equal to integration e power t into dx equal to minus 1 by 5 into dt is equal to minus 1 by 5 into integration e power t dt minus 1 by 5 into integration e power t dt that equal to minus 1 by 5 into e power t integration is e power t plus c is equal to minus 1 by 5 into e power 3 minus 5x plus c. Apply the value is 3 minus 5 minus 1 by 5 into e power 3 minus 5x plus c. Summary. In this session we have learned evaluating integration f of ax plus b dx and formulas. Is integration cos ax plus b equal to ax plus b. So cos x integration is just a sin x. Here in ax plus bx quotient divided a. Cos x is sin x. Sin ax plus b by a plus k. So b is the correct answer. Next, integration a power x. A power x integration a power x answer is a power x by log a power x by log a. Here in bx plus c x quotient is b divided with b. That is c is the I hope c is the correct answer. A power bx plus c by log a into x quotient is 1 by b. Um, C is the correct answer. Frequently asked questions. Integration sin 7x into cos 2x dx. Integration sin 3 minus 4x dx. Integration cos x into cos 2x dx. Find integration cos square 4x dx. So thoroughly do this assignment frequently and do different types of problems. Today I stop today.